Hello friends, I welcome you in this video tutorial by Perfect Web Solutions. My name is Imran Qasim, and in this video tutorial we are going to see that how can we customize Woocommerce placeholder image. What I mean that when you go to your shop page, like let me open my localhost website which I have created in Woostore, and on shop page when you go there you will see that if you don't have an image for some of the products, it will show this image without just it's called a placeholder. If you right click on it and inspect element, use inspect element, you will see it show you that this one image is a placeholder.png. So in today's tutorial we will see that how can we replace this image with any other image, like if we can replace it with our logo, or we can replace it with same image and putting a no image logo on it, or anything like that. Because recently one of my client has asked me that he have a multi-vendor WooCommerce store where many people are uploading their products, and for that particular product some of them don't have images. So I want that if they don't have image, it will display their logo or their logo on an image, and that image will be displayed by default whenever there is no image for a particular product uploaded by any of their vendor. So I did that task, and today I'm also going to explain it to you how I have done it. I will use a lorempixel.com image here in place of that, so you can understand it better and you can understand it easily. So let's get started. Open up your favorite text editor. I have already opened it and I have loaded uh, my child theme which is activated currently, and also I have loaded WooCommerce plugin here just for the reference purposes. So in this view store I found that the product image is responsible for displaying products on product images on the shop page. So if I look at it in this product image, I found that there is an if statement, if has post thumbnail. I mean, if the particular product have a featured image, then this piece of code from here to here, it will be executed. So what if it doesn't have, I mean, what if it does not have an image, featured image? Then it will go to else and execute this piece of code. So if I look at this piece of code, it is applying filter WooCommerce single product image HTML. So it is generating HTML and HTML for the no product image. So it load this image source, and then it in the source person sign s, I see that in the first person sign s it is for executing this wc placeholder img src function. So it means that this function is responsible for displaying image. So I just hover mouse on it and my smart editor showed me that the definition of this function is in WooCommerce includes wc product function.php file on line number 289. I mean, this function is defined here. So I just click on it and I went to line number 288. From here directly with this image src, I came here directly, and this one is returning that same placeholder image from plugin URL. I mean, from the current plugin path, it is displaying asset. If you see, if you look at it again, you will see that it is WooCommerce folder, which is the plugin, and then assets folder, then images folder, then placeholder.png, and you can see it is having the same path here. So what I will do, I will just copy this whole function from here, copy it, and I will move to my child theme in and open function.php. At the end of this function, I will just put add filter, or just I will let me paste it here, apply filters, and change apply filters to add filter. Keep in mind, add filter is a singular and apply filters is a plural, and I will target the same hook, and from here I will replace this with my own placeholder img src. So make sure this function name is unique, it doesn't exist anywhere, so otherwise you will be in trouble. So function my own place holder img src, and also I will pass an argument of img. So because by default it accepts one parameter, so I just put it here and make sure this name and this name is same. So simply what I will do here, I will use lorempixel.com, which is a placeholder for images. So just to show you, you can put any image path, you can upload your image into media folder and then put the path here. So I will do return http lorempixel.com slash 320 by 200 or 300 by 300. I will use 300 by 300 and food, and randomly it will display the image semicolon. So that's it. This is the code. And now when I go to shop page and reload the page, you will see this image product without image will be changed if everything yes. And you can see this image have different size because I haven't put any css as this. These images have class, and this image does not include that particular class. It only have Woocommerce placeholder. So I can copy this Woocommerce placeholder class, copied, and I can place it in my css where I just put it here img. If I find img, yeah, here dot img, and let me remove it from here, maybe it doesn't require here. Save it and then reload the image. uh, it does not Woocommerce, and so we can style it anyways with using any css. Like for this one, it have css here, yeah, here dot comma, and let me see if it works. No, so we have to find let me see img. What is the size of this img? Like 310 by 230, 310 by 230. So what I can do here for the time being, 310 by 230, 310 by 230. Yeah, save it and then reload it. And now it have the almost, you can reduce the size to 10, 310 by 210, so that it will be of same size. Sometimes this lorem pixel got trouble loading 320 to 20, make it 220 or 225. And now the basic purpose of this tutorial was maybe some mistake, 310. It couldn't find the image. Yeah, now it's found. So now it is almost like same. So the basic purpose of this tutorial was how to use or how to replace that placeholder image using filter hook. So if you don't know about the filter hooks or action hooks, or about you don't know what are the hooks, you can refer to the codex.wordpress.org for more details /hooks. And also you can watch my another video tutorial which I have posted a few days back or a few weeks back. It's part 2 or maybe part 3. You can watch that tutorial as well to understand more about what are the hooks and how can you create, or how you can manipulate the hooks. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial till, and have a good day. Take care. Bye.